A very good morning, students. Well, students, let's start the topic with a directory rules in France. Yesterday, we completed our topic here that in July 1794, Robespierre was also guillotined because he also followed the same policy of severe control. That is why even the people, the members of his own party, they were against him, and that is why he was convicted by the court and he was arrested and guillotined in July 1794. And after that there was a change in the administration. Let's see. The fall of Jacobin government, फिर जैकोबिन गवर्नमेंट गिर गई, allowed the wealthier middle class to seize power and a new constitution was introduced. एक नया constitution बनाया गया which denied the vote to non-propertied sections of the society. Again the same happened as it was before 1791. It provided for two elected legislative councils. These then appointed a directory and executive made up of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a one-man executive as under the Jacobins. जैसे जैकोबिन्स में सारी पावर रॉब्सपेरे के पास थी, अब उसको हटाने के लिए एक 5 मेंबर्स की कमेटी बनाई गई, एग्जीक्यूटिव जिसको कहा गया, और 2 लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स जो कि पावर सभी के बीच में शेयर हो जाए. However, the directors often clashed with the legislative councils and who then sought to dismiss them. The political instability, इससे political instability आ गई, of the directory paved the way for the rise of a military dictator, Napoleon Bonaparte. Through all these changes in the form of government, the ideals of freedom, of equality before the law and of fraternity remained inspired. हालांकि इस तरह के चेंजेस आते रहे गवर्नमेंट में, फिर भी जो फ्रीडम के आइडियल्स थे, इक्वलिटी के और फ्रेटर्निटी के, वो लोगों को लगातार मोटिवेट करते रहे और पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट्स होते रहे इन फ्रांस एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ यूरोप ड्यूरिंग द फॉलोइंग सेंचुरी. इवन ड्यूरिंग फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन women also participated. Did women have a revolution? क्या उनका भी revolution था? You must have come to know by now that though the changes were made in the voting system, sometimes a man of 25 years and above was given right to vote. Sometimes the age was reduced and it came at 21 years, but in both the circumstances no woman was given right to vote. So women also participated in the revolution. Let's see. From the very beginning, women were active participants in the events which brought about so many important changes in French society. They hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. उन्होंने इसलिए इन्वॉल्वमेंट किया, पार्टिसिपेट किया कि उनको लगा कि उनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट से जो गवर्नमेंट है वो उनकी तरफ भी ध्यान देगी उनकी लाइफ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. मोस्ट वीमेन ऑफ द थर्ड स्टेट हैड टू वर्क, क्योंकि उनको काम करना पड़ता था फॉर लिविंग. दे वर्कड एज seamstresses, I mean to say laundresses, sold flowers, fruits and vegetables at the market, or were employed as domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people. Most women did not have access to education. उनको एजुकेशन का अधिकार नहीं था और जॉब ट्रेनिंग. Only daughters of nobles or wealthier members of the middle class, third estate, they could study at a convent, after which their families arranged a marriage for them. और उसके बाद उनकी शादी कर देते थे. Working women had also to care for the family, that is cook, fetch water, queue up for bread and look after the children. Their wages were lower than those of men. In order to discuss and voice their interest, अपनी आवाज़ उठाने के लिए women started their own political clubs and newspapers. About 60 women clubs came up, लगभग 60 women clubs बने in different French cities, and the most famous women club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. one of their main demand was that women enjoy the same political rights, कि ladies को women को भी same political rights मिले as men. But women were disappoint हो गई that the constitution of 1791 reduced, और भी उनकी पावर को रिड्यूस कर दिया them to passive citizen. They demanded, और इसीलिए उन्होंने डिमांड रखी the right to vote, कि हमें right to vote मिले, to be elected to the assembly and to hold political office. But only then they felt would their interest be represented in the new government. और उन्होंने महसूस किया कि अगर उनको ये राइट मिल जाते हैं तभी वो गवर्नमेंट में अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट कर पाएंगे. इन द अर्ली ईयर्स द रेवोल्यूशनरी गवर्नमेंट डिड इंट्रोड्यूस लॉ. शुरू में रेवोल्यूशनरी गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसे नियम लागू किए दैट हेल्प्ड इम्प्रूव द लाइव्स ऑफ वीमेन. टुगेदर विद द क्रिएशन ऑफ स्टेट स्कूल, उन्होंने स्कूल खोले. स्कूलिंग वॉज मेड कंपल्सरी, स्कूलिंग को कंपल्सरी कर दिया फॉर गर्ल्स. देयर फादर्स कुड नो लॉन्गर फोर्स देम इनटू मैरिज अगेंस्ट देयर विल. अब उनके फादर्स उनकी शादी नहीं कर सकते थे बिना उनकी इच्छा के. मैरिज वॉज मेड इनटू अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, entered into freely and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal and could be applied for by both women and men. Women could now train for jobs, अब उनको ट्रेनिंग मिलने लगी. Could become artist or run small business. But still women struggle for equal political rights however continued. अभी भी उनको equal political rights नहीं मिले. During the reign of terror, the new government issued law ordering closure of women's club. जब reign of terror था तो गवर्नमेंट जो बनी थी उसने women's club को बंद करने के लिए ऑर्डर कर दिए and banning their political activities. Many prominent women were arrested and a number of them executed. Women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continued. लेकिन फिर भी उनके मूवमेंट चलते रहे. कब? Through the next 200 years, अगले 200 साल तक in many countries of the world. The fight for the vote was carried out. ये जो वोट के लिए जो उनकी लड़ाई थी इसको आगे बढ़ाते गए through an international suffrage movement. पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये एक सफरेज मूवमेंट के रूप में स्टार्ट हो गया ड्यूरिंग द लेट 19th एंड अर्ली 20th सेंचुरी. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ फ्रेंच वीमेन, और ये जो पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज़ फ्रेंच वीमेन की थी ये एग्जाम्पल बन गया ड्यूरिंग द रेवोल्यूशनरी ईयर्स, वॉज केप्ट अलाइव एज एन इंस्पायरिंग मेमोरीज. इट वॉज फाइनली इन 1946, और इस तरीके से 200 साल तक रेवोल्यूशन चलता चलता फाइनली 1946 में दैट वीमेन इन फ्रांस सबसे पहले वन द राइट टू वोट. सबसे पहले फ्रांस की वीमेन को राइट टू वोट मिला. नाउ you must have seen the women, they are queuing up at a bakery for long hours. And then let's move to the next point, and that is the abolition of slavery. Okay, but this point we will be taking up tomorrow. For this is all for today. Thank you.